3 words. Taco truck tacos. Hi everybody, welcome back to Cooking Club. A quick housekeeping announcement. There is no Cooking Club live this week, but check out my savory oats and jammy eggs episode that just got posted to YouTube. This is a pre-recorded Cooking Club, trying something new here, so you can cook along with me anytime that's convenient for you. And then you can join me on April 9th at 6 p.m. Eastern Time on Instagram Live to cook these delicious taco truck tacos. I'm so excited. I've been missing these from New York so much, and I cannot wait to recreate them in the kitchen with all of you. I am not going to be listing all of the ingredients out loud to you today, but I will be putting them in the description below as usual. I just wanted to point out a couple of things about it. First off, the first ingredient on there is Masa Harina flour. Masa Harina is just a corn flour used to make corn tortillas. Yes, we are making corn tortillas from scratch. No, it is not hard, and you can totally do it. It's really fun, it's really simple, and they taste a lot better than the prepackaged ones in the stores, and they're cheaper. So I wanted to give you some time to go ahead and find this. It's actually not that uncommon in the grocery store, or you can find it online. Masa Harina corn flour. Unfortunately, there isn't a good substitute for this, so you're gonna have to figure out how to get that somewhere. The other thing that I wanted to point out to you on that list was the Tortilla Press. Now, I know that most people don't have this kitchen gadget. I caved and I finally got one of these. This is a cast iron tortilla press. It's very heavy. If you don't have a cast iron tortilla press, don't worry about it. You can also use any sort of heavy pan. A cast iron pan works really well. Or if you have a heavy glass baking dish, that can work. Or just sheer grunt power, as you can see from this photo of me. The first time I tried to make corn tortillas at home without a tortilla press, and I am sitting on a book, on a cutting board, on a tortilla to flatten it. So whatever you've got, we will make it work. Do not fret. But whatever you choose to use to flatten your tortillas, you will need either parchment paper or some of these large Ziploc bags. They're not eco-friendly, but they are the best thing that I've found for this reason, for this purpose. And we can also marinate our meat in there, so it's a win-win. Speaking of meat, I am going to be using skirt steak for my tacos. I love skirt steak because it's nice and thin, so it cooks up really quickly. It soaks up the marinade really well, and it's just an easy cut of beef to cook. But feel free to use any meat or non-meat that you would like. Shrimp works really well in here. Chicken would work great. If you wanted to cut up some sweet potatoes, we can do sweet potatoes or black beans. Whatever you'd like, you can throw it all in the same marinade that I'm making, and I will tell you the varied cooking times when we get to that point. These are traditional street tacos, so I'm topping mine with onions and cilantro and sliced radishes because I love sliced radishes on my tacos. And I'm gonna be putting a little bit of sour cream, and I'm gonna be making guac with that. So if you'd like guacamole, please grab some avocados. But you can top yours with whatever you like. You can grab some salsa, you can eat it plain, however you like your tacos, with cheese, cotija, or just American cheddar, no judgments. Feel free to grab whatever taco toppings you want. I am really looking forward to this, and I will see you on April 9th at 6 p.m. Eastern Time on Instagram Live to make some delicious taco truck tacos. See you in the kitchen.